In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message format from HTML to rich text or plain text in Outlook. Choosing the right format helps your emails look the way you intend and ensures recipients can read them as expected. HTML supports colors, images, and rich layouts. Rich text keeps some formatting but isn't universally supported outside of Outlook. Plain text strips everything down to just text, which is great for maximum compatibility and strict security environments. Let's start with Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. If you're composing a single message and want to change its format on the fly, open a new email. In the message window, look for the format control on the toolbar. It shows the current format you're using. Select Switch to HTML if you need full styling, or switch to plain text if you want a simpler, no-frills message. When you switch to plain text, Outlook removes existing formatting, so it's a good idea to make this decision before you invest time in styling the email. This change applies only to the message you're currently composing. If you want to set a default for all new messages in the web or new Outlook experience, click the settings gear in the top right. Go to Mail, then Compose and Reply. Find the Message Format section, choose the format you prefer for composing messages, and click Save. This sets your default going forward, and you can still switch formats for individual emails as needed. Now let's cover Classic Outlook. In the Settings window, look for the Compose Messages section. Find the drop-down labeled Compose Messages in this format. Pick HTML, rich text, or plain text. When you're done, click OK to save your changes. This sets your default format for all new messages and replies. As a quick guideline, HTML is the best all-around choice for most people, since it balances appearance and compatibility. Rich text carries a risk that non-Outlook recipients won't see your formatting correctly, and some may receive an extra attachment. Plain text is ideal when you need a clean, policy-friendly message without any formatting. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Changing your default format doesn't retroactively alter messages you've already sent or drafts you created earlier. If you switch to plain text in the middle of writing, Outlook will remove colors, links, and images, so consider switching before you start composing. And whichever format you choose, your attachments will still send normally. That's it. Thanks for watching.